If you're tired of struggling to communicate while riding or want to enjoy your music without the hassle, you're in the right place. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Cardo Systems Spirit Single Pack. Let's kick things off with the Cardo Systems Spirit Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication Headset. Priced at $98.96, this headset really caught my eye because of its reputation for clarity and comfort. If you want reliable audio during your rides, this is worth a serious look. With a two-way Bluetooth connection, you can chat with your riding buddies without any hassle. Plus, it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about getting caught in the rain. Cardo has sold over 2,000 units just in the last month, which shows how popular it is among riders. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it going, it's smooth sailing. Plus, if you're someone who rides frequently, the investment pays off quickly in terms of convenience. This is perfect for you if you want high-quality communication while riding with friends. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly, as it's on the pricier side but delivers excellent value for money. Now, if the price of the Cardo Systems Spirit caught your attention but you want something a bit cheaper, the next option could be exactly what you need. Product number 2, Cardo Systems Spirit Dual Pack. Next up is the Cardo Systems Spirit Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication Headset in a dual pack for $188.96. Now, this one is really appealing for couples or riding buddies. If you want to stay connected with a partner on the road, this is a solid choice. This dual pack means you get 2 headsets, making it easier to communicate seamlessly while riding. Just like the single pack, these headsets feature those same thin 30-ohm speakers and waterproofing. But here's why this matters. With 2 units, you can share your music or directions from GPS with each other without any interference. Having done over 1,000 sales last month, it's evident that this is a popular choice for duo riders. However, some users noted that the battery life could be slightly better when used at high volume. But honestly, if you're not blasting music non-stop, it'll last you quite a few rides. Just keep in mind that if you're a heavy user, you might need to charge it a bit more frequently. This is perfect for you if you're riding with a partner and want to enjoy hands-free communication. Skip this one if you're riding solo or on a tight budget. The value here is great for couples who ride together. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for budget-friendly choices that still pack a punch. Product number 3, Outdoor Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. Coming in at just $25.99, the Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth headset is a steal for budget-conscious riders. This one caught my attention due to its impressive 60 hours of playtime. If you want long-lasting performance without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The automatic answering feature is a nice touch for those unexpected calls while you're cruising. It's rated well among the 600 users who purchased it last month. The low price doesn't mean low quality, it offers solid sound performance that keeps you in the loop. Now the downside, it doesn't have the best noise cancellation compared to higher-end models. If you're riding in busy areas, you might find it a bit distracting. But if you mostly ride in quieter locations, it's a great budget pick. This is perfect for you if you need a cost-effective way to stay connected while riding. Skip this one if you frequently ride in noisy environments. The sound quality may not meet your expectations. For the price, it's a fantastic choice. Now, if you're looking for something that emphasizes sound quality without going overboard on price, let's move to the next option. Product number 4, Hi-Fi Sound Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. Next, we have the Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth headset speakers, priced at only $14.99. I was genuinely surprised by how budget-friendly this product is, considering it offers hi-fi sound and noise cancellation. If you're looking for great sound without spending a fortune, this might be your best bet. It's designed to be easy to install, even with gloves on, and it's also IPX6 waterproof, so you can ride confidently in any weather. With over 500 units sold last month, it's clear many riders are enjoying this option. However, some users did mention that the sound quality, while decent, may not compete with pricier models. Here's the thing though, if you're not an audiophile and just need something functional for calls and music, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, budget-friendly option that still delivers good performance. Skip this if sound quality is your top priority. There are better picks for that. For under $15, it's an unbeatable deal. Now, if sound quality is a big deal for you, the next product takes it up a notch. Product number 5, LEXIN G1 Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. Finally, let's talk about the LEXIN G1 Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset, priced at $39.99. This caught my eye because it comes with 2 types of microphones, which is pretty handy. If you want flexibility in how you use your Bluetooth headset, this one's got you covered. It also allows hands-free calling and can connect to GPS, which is a huge plus for navigation. With multiple color faceplates, it even caters to individual styles. It sold over 200 units recently, indicating a growing fan base. Now, some users found the installation a bit complex, and I get it. If you're not tech-savvy, it might take a little patience. But once it's set up, it performs well and is worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable Bluetooth headset with customizable features. Skip this one if you're looking for something super straightforward to install right out of the box. For the price, it offers great value for features. Now that we've gone through all 5 options, let's wrap things up. So we've looked at 5 solid motorcycle Bluetooth helmets today. To quickly recap, the Cardo System's Spirit single and dual packs are fantastic for those who ride with friends or partners, while the budget options like the outdoor headset and hi-fi sound headset offer great value without sacrificing performance. Finally, the LEXIN G1 brings some nice custom features to the table. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Cardo System's Spirit Dual Pack because it's perfect for communication between riders. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the hi-fi sound headset if you're an audio enthusiast looking for top-notch sound quality. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.